Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable locked folder on Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. There's the Photos section, Memories, Library, and lastly, Search. So, firstly, go ahead and make sure you go to the Photos section. And then once you do that, if you want to enable the locked folder, just select any photo that you want to add to the locked folder. So, for example, I'm going to add this photo. So, just go ahead and hold it down until you find this menu. So, right here in this menu, we're going to find Share, Add to, Delete, Move to Archive, Edit Time, Date and Time, Edit Location, and here you're going to find Move to Locked Folder. So go ahead and click on Move to Locked Folder, and then you're going to be taken to this page. So here, as you can see guys, photos and videos in Locked Folder are hidden and won't show up as you scroll through Google Photos or in other apps. Open with your device screen lock. Related photos won't be moved. This includes copies, edited versions, and shared photos saved by others. So right now I'm gonna click on Setup Locked Folder. And then as you can see guys, I need to add my biometrics. And then as you can see guys right here, locked folder backup is off. Photos and videos in locked folder that are not backed up won't be kept if you switch devices, factory reset this device, or delete the Google Photos app. You can manage the backup, or you can just click on continue. And lastly, right here, you're going to find this message, move to locked folder. If you want to move it, just click on move, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.